Greetings, people of the internet. Today I'm bringing a different kind of toy review to the channel. Today I will be taking a look at the 2008 Wall-E, released for the tie-in movie. Well, tie-in toy specifically. This little guy here. But first, let's take a look at the box. The box he came packaged in was this cool looking I'd say like neat visualization of Wall-E himself proper, because you can see his eyes here, you can see his like chest and stomach here, and his little hands here. Here's the tag. This was made by Thinking Toys, or well, Thinkway Toys specifically. Here's the back with all the different ones. Here's Mo, here's Eve, Wall-E himself, and the new factory-like Wall-E. Captain of the Axiom, Otto, the massage bot, the hairdresser bot, Go Form, all cool stuff. Here's the side of the box. The other side. You can see some tears, because that's how I sadly had to open it, because there was no other way, sadly. So let's take a look at the little guy now. Wall-E here is very cute, as you can clearly see by that. He's very cute. He's cute, charming, boxy, per usual. For a little toy, he rolls pretty well. In all different ways. That happens too. So to examine some details, here's his solar power level, which is full. That's what he uses in the movie to charge, since he's sun powered. Here's his name. I think what Wall-E means is waste allocation lift load Earth class. Correct me on that if maybe I'm wrong on that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Either way, some other neat details include these gears here, some pistons, the back with the pistons as well. The back with the pistons as well. And his ever so iconic binoculars. Yes, binocular eyes. He's so gosh darn cute. I really love this. Some neat little fact about this not specifically this toy, but in general. I used to have this as a child. But this is not the copy that I had as a child. That one is long gone, and I don't know where, and that sucks so bad. But I wish I could get it one day. I wish I would find it one day. Even if futile. But either way, I digress. Wall-E, for all intents and purposes, doesn't have much articulation, except the head can do a full 360. No up or down. Well, slight up or down. You can see there's a slight. It's slight. Very slight. The neck can move in two sides, but not completely. The arm can extend and do a swivel. It can do a 360 as well. The hand, now this is the neat thing. The hand can open, but the grip isn't as tight as I would like, so he can't really hold on to stuff unless it's like super light, like a piece of paper or something. And of course, nothing else, sadly. So, I wouldn't really call this a fair comparison since they are two different toys. Or, well, two different things in general. They're both action figures, yes. But here, for the size comparison, is the animated bulkhead. If only he wanted to stand. The animated Transformers animated bulkhead, which I reviewed on the channel before, and he looks neat as well. You should check his video out. But for the comparison, here's basically what they are. They're not in scale because Wally would be way smaller compared to Bulky. He's like up to a human's waist in the movie. So, regardless of that, he's still very charming and really cute and everything, and I'm really happy I got this again. So, hope you enjoy this relatively short video. Like, subscribe, bye-bye.